Hi, my name is Lauren and I'm from New York. I've been teaching English here in Tokyo for about 5 to 6 years now. I like to make English easy and fun. I don't want you to feel like you're in a lesson. I want you to feel like you're my friend. I'm really outgoing. We can have any type of conversation that you would like. For example, if you want to just have a friendly chat, that's okay. Or if you'd like to talk about grammar or how to use common American phrases, that's also okay. I'm looking forward to talking with you, so make sure you book a lesson and I'll talk to you soon.